Hey everybody, I'm back with another scrapbooking video. So this is the photo that I'm using. It's of me and my friend Rachel from freshman year. Adorable. I'm using this beautiful background paper. I'm not sure where I got it because I actually got it from like a hand-me-down from my neighbor, I'm pretty sure. But I'm just cutting off the little tag thing at the top. Then I'm going to use this yellow plaid paper to mat the photo. I thought I wanted to use these maroon colored strips behind it, but I decided against that because it would just have been too complicated to layer them all up, to be honest, and I didn't want to do that. So here I am just gluing down with my Tombow Mono adhesive liquid, gluing the photo onto the mat there. So then I actually decided to get some white cardstock paper out, and I was going to do the trick where you color just the edges of the paper to be a specific color, and I wanted to match that little astonishing paper up there because I really liked that little piece of paper and I didn't have any other things that were that color. So I thought that this Tombow Mono marker would be the perfect shade. So here I'm just cutting out the white paper, and I don't like to measure anything. I just marked it with the marker. So here I'm making sure it's the right size. I wanted it to be a little bit smaller than the yellow one. So I've done this in my other video, I think just one other video, yeah, my most recent one. And all I'm doing is coloring it on there, just doing the edge. So it's super easy. I actually saw this on someone else's YouTube video, so that's very awesome. I thought it was a little bit too light though when I looked at it, and it was not very similar to the color of the astonishing thing, which now that I'm looking at it on there though, it looks like almost the exact same shade, but in real life it just didn't. So I'm gonna grab another marker and just give another layer over it to try to make it look a little bit more red. And then I actually realized that I just had two of the same marker. Here I'm like, oh, this is 755. Yeah, they're the same shade. Embarrassing. Anyway, here's me just seeing it, and I actually really like how that turned out. I'm glad I know that trick. I'm gonna mat the yellow paper with the photo onto that cardstock now, using my Tombow Mono adhesive again. I like this adhesive, but it does take a while for it to stick. So anyway, I had arranged the little things, but I wanted another one, so I'm just kind of looking through all my stash of the cut-aparts from the scrapbooking papers, and none of them I like, but I just needed something else that was more green that matched with the Hello Smiley one. So here's my stash of cut-aparts from scrapbooking pads, and I found one that I think I used from here. A lot of them just said things that didn't really go with what I was doing. I think I used that one. It says dream big, and then that little smile one too. I didn't end up using that green thing. Yeah, I didn't use that, but I thought I might use it for my journaling. Anyway, I'm just kind of laying out what I thought I wanted, and you'll actually see in the future that I do change it to go on the right side. But here I just felt like it needed something else, because the pieces were just blending in too much with the background paper. So I'm taking this like crafty colored white piece of paper. I ripped it, and then I'm gonna put it on the bottom half on the left. Sorry about the shadows of my tripod. You can see it very much when it's on this white paper. So here is the final layout that I actually did end up going with. I put the photo all the way to the right side of the scrapbooking paper, and then I lined up the little thingies on the left side of it. And yeah, I just kind of played around a lot with what I wanted to do, how I wanted them to be. I wanted to use these letters for the date. It was 2018, that was the year. They're from like a Girl Scout thing, girl, I don't even know. And I'm using these Dear Lizzie stickers again. I love these so much and it comes with a lot of them, so I can always find the word that I'm trying to make as well, which is I think why I always use them, but they're beautiful. So here I'm just typing out JTerm because that's what it was, JTerm 2018, that's my title. And I actually don't want them up there, so I'm gonna decide where to put them, and then I decide on the left hand corner here, so that's me putting them in there. I didn't know where I wanted to put them, it just every place that I put the title just seemed wrong. I still don't know if I even love it now that I'm done with it, but I'm done, so there's no going back now. I decided I liked that, so I'm gluing everything down with my, you know, same glue that I've been using. So here's where I decided to add these two doilies. We've got a pink one and a white one. It needed something a little bit extra, some texture, something that wasn't just so rectangular. So I added these for some nice texture. I really enjoyed how that turned out. So here I'm gluing them on, and I actually ended up putting way too much glue on the pink one. I don't know if you can really see, but it kind of got messy a little bit. I overestimated how much glue I needed. Anyway, I'm gluing these on, and then I will be putting on the little phrase rectangles here with some foam, what are these called? Foam adhesive? So now here I'm gluing on the 2018 little paper pieces. I know that now it says 2018 JTerm, but we're just gonna say that it says JTerm 2018 because that just flows a little bit better. Just go with it, okay? So I wrote my journaling off camera, and now I'm going to add some, what is this called, like mist splatter stuff. I've used this in both of my other videos, I'm pretty sure, because I'm obsessed with them. It just adds this beautiful texture and dimension. This one is Recollections one, I think, and then this one, this pink one that I'm using, is just a homemade one. I just think I mixed paint and water and put it in a spray bottle, and it still works 1 year later, so hey, that's pretty cool. I'm hitting it with the heat gun just to dry it down a little bit. Then I'm adding in these adorable puffy stickers. These are so cute and they went with the colors so well. So I think I added 4. Yeah, I love these little guys. They're so cute. Tim Holtz tiny word phrases, I think that's what they're called. I used the white one with the gold lettering. I'm obsessed with these. I think you guys know that. I put them in everything. I just love the little added tininess of it. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I think that's the last thing I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Stay tuned for some photos at the end. Bye!